Number 5. Synbeam the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K. The Samsung Premier is an ultra-short throw 4K laser projector that can produce a massive 130-inch display. It's designed to be placed close to the wall, and the laser technology allows it to produce bright and vivid images even in a brightly lit room. The projector also features a built-in soundbar for a more immersive viewing experience. One of the main advantages of an ultra-short throw projector is that it eliminates the need for a separate screen. Instead, you can simply project onto a blank wall or a specially designed screen that can be installed right in front of the projector. This makes installation much easier and can save space in your home theater. The Samsung Premier also has a number of smart features, such as support for voice control and the ability to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Number 4. ViewSonic X2000B4K 4K. The ViewSonic X2000B4K is a 4K home theater projector designed to deliver stunning image quality with vivid colors and sharp details. It features a 0.47-inch DLP chip with XPR technology that can project up to 8.3 million pixels onto the screen. The projector has a brightness of 2,200 lumens and a contrast ratio of 1,200,000, which means it can produce bright and vibrant images even in a well-lit room. It also supports HDR content, which can bring out more detail in bright and dark areas of the image. One of the unique features of the ViewSonic X2000B4K is its built-in Harman Kardon speakers. The projector has a 10-watt speaker system that delivers high-quality sound without the need for external speakers or a sound bar. Number 3. AWL Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST Projector. The AWL Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST ultra-short throw projector is a high-end projector designed to provide a stunning viewing experience with a massive 120-inch display. It features triple chroma laser technology that delivers bright and vivid colors with deep blacks and sharp details. The projector uses a 0.47-inch DLP chip with XPR technology to produce up to 8.3 million pixels on the screen. It has a brightness of 3,000 lumens, which means it can project a bright and clear image even in a well-lit room. The contrast ratio of 2:1 allows for deep blacks and excellent shadow detail. One of the standout features of the AWL Vision projector is its ultra-short throw design, which allows it to be placed very close to the screen or wall. This makes it ideal for small spaces or rooms where a traditional projector would not fit. It also eliminates the need for a separate screen, which can save on installation costs. Number 2. LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector. The LG Synbeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector is a high-end home theater projector that uses ultra-short throw technology to project images onto a screen or wall from a very short distance. It boasts a 4K Ultra HD resolution and laser technology, which produces a bright and clear image with accurate colors and deep blacks. One of the unique features of this projector is its ability to project a large image from a very short distance. This means that you can place the projector just inches away from the screen or wall and still get a large and clear image. This makes it ideal for home theaters or other spaces where space is limited. The LG Synbeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector also comes with a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth. This allows you to connect a wide range of devices, such as laptops, gaming consoles, and streaming devices, to the projector. Number 1. Philips Screenio U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector. The Philips Screenio U4 is an ultra-short throw projector that can display a large image from a very short distance. It is designed to be easy to use and set up, making it ideal for home entertainment or presentations. The Screenio U4 can display images up to 120 inches diagonally, and it uses a full HD 1080p resolution to produce sharp and clear images. Its ultra-short throw lens allows it to be placed just inches away from the wall or screen, which means that it can be used in rooms where space is limited. One of the unique features of the Screenio U4 is its built-in sound system. It has two 16-watt speakers and a subwoofer, which produce a rich and immersive sound that is ideal for movies and music. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to stream audio directly from your phone or other compatible device.